Very good afternoon to all of you. Beta. Today we are going to start with chapter 2, and that is chemical reactions and their types. Okay. So now, what there is a trick to do this chapter. Beta. First, I have provided you the color notes. You will refer these color notes which I have given to you. And secondly, first, what you will study the last page of this color notes. Now, first you should know the nature of gases. Gases are of how many types, beta? Look. Yeah. Gases can be what? Gases are acidic, gases are basic, and gases are neutral. So you should know which gases are acidic, which gases are basic. First of all, only basic gas in your syllabus. Okay. Now, first of all, before going to that, okay, give me a few example of acid. Acid क्या होता है? Come on, tell me. HCl is an acid. Yes. Okay, this is an acid or not? HNO3. Yeah, H2SO4. H3PO. H2SO3. H3PO4. Yeah, all these are acid. So these are all acid. Okay, it has few example of base. So this is base. Anything which has OH, anything which has OH, it is a base. It is a
Magnesium oxide.
yeah, very good.
So baking soda is an acid.
No, it is a base. Baking soda is the base. So all these are what, beta? Generally, base have what? OH and carbonate also. They have what? OH and okay. Now, when we call a gas acidic, listen, beta. If I given you any gas, Mokshit, beta, if I given you any gas, how you determine whether it is acidic or base? If I give you gas, dissolve in water. Dissolve in. If it forms acid, then it is acidic. Is it acid or not? Tell me. Therefore, this gas is acidic. If you take SO2, you dissolve in water, what you'll get? So it is acidic. Are you getting it? Any gas, if you dissolve in water, if you get acid, then it is what? Acidic. So all these gases, when you dissolve them in water, they are what? They form acid. Therefore, they are acidic. In your entire syllabus, there is only one basic gas. Entire 9th and 10th. Entire 9th and 10th. So now, bit of a basic, what you have to do? Any gas, if you dissolve in water, if it forms base, if it forms, then it is basic. So only basic gas in your syllabus is ammonia. Only basic gas is. Have you understood how we find the nature of the gas? Take a gas, dissolve in water. If it forms acid, then it is acidic. Take a gas, dissolve in water. If it forms base, then it is basic. Basic. Any gas, if I take any gas and if I dissolve in water, it neither form acid nor it form base. It will not form anything. Then we call it as which gas? Neutral. N2H2O2, NO, N2O, and CO. These all are which gas? Why? Because if I dissolve that in water, they will neither form acid nor they will form base. Have you understood this? So first thing, what you are supposed to remember. So now we'll have to by heart, but all this. Look, I have given you today these colorful notes. Online student, you let me know if you want me to pass on your colorful notes to anyone or you will collect next class. Bolo, Arnav and Anubhuti, next class will pick up?
Next class will connect next
Okay,
class.
fine.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
And I'll connect next class.
Okay, yeah, enough. Enough. Now tell me, beta, all these are which gas? Neutral. Acha, if you want to write, you can write the name of this. NO is what? Nitric oxide. NO is? N2O is nitrous oxide. N2O is? We have done this in first chapter also. Okay. Hey, Samaira beta, why all these are neutral? Because if you dissolve in water, they will neither form acid nor they will form base. Listen. Okay. Jasnoor, all these gas, can you see all these gas are which one? Acidic. Why they are acidic? Because if you dissolve them in water, they will form acid. Okay. Look na beta, we just now did na CO2 को पानी में डालेगा तो carbonic acid we get, SO2 we dissolve in water you get sulfurous acid, SO3 you dissolve in water you get sulfuric, P2O5 if you dissolve in water it will give you phosphoric acid. Okay. Now another thing what you are supposed to remember, if I say
P2O5 is a gas.
Gas. Phosphorus pentoxide is a gas. Anyways. Now, hello. If listen, if I say reddish brown gas, what should come to your mind? If I say greenish yellow gas, what should come to your mind? If I say rotten egg smell, what should come to your mind? Which is the only basic gas in your syllabus? Only basic gas is which one? NH3. It has a pungent odor, beta. You know, where you come across this, whenever you open the washroom ka door, beta, the smell which comes, that is of what? Ammonia gas. Okay. In our urine, we pass uric acid, and the microorganisms which are present, it decomposes into what? Ammonia, and it is lighter, therefore it comes up. And whenever we open the door, if washroom is not clean for many days, then you get a smell of ammonia. Okay, if you go to public urinals, you can come across such smell. Anyways, now we are going to go for the next part. Miloni beta. Okay, anything which has OH, anything which has OH, we call generally them as base. We call them as base. Now, but base are of two types. Base are of how many types? Okay, one base is water soluble. Which one? Any base which is water soluble, we call them as alkali. Any base. So, what are alkali? They are water soluble base. Okay, and then we have base which is insoluble. Insoluble. Okay, anything which is insoluble, we just call them as base. We just call them as. So what is the difference between alkali and base? All alkali are base, but all bases are water. Clear hai? Acha, which are alkali beta? Group 1, Lena K. Look, NaOH, water soluble. Yeah, Lena K. All these are what? Water soluble. Okay, these are what? Alkali. These are what? Now, there is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and all. Okay, group 1 element, alkali metals. Periodic table we'll study, na, beta. We'll study, don't worry. Okay, alkali. So look, beta, all these are what, beta? Alkali. So what are alkali? Water soluble base. Clear? Now, if in exam, if I say which is weak alkali, if I say what is weak alkali, calcium hydroxide and NH4OH also you write, beta. NH4OH.
सर ऊपर लिखा हुआ है.
हाँ, लिखा हुआ चलेगा, लेकिन वो वीक में भी आता है बेटा. But okay, you write NH4OH. ये लिखो, चलो लिखा ना क्या? Weak alkali. They are what, beta? Weak alkali. And look, beta, I have just written them base. Means they are water insoluble. All these are water insoluble. They are water insoluble. Clear? Okay. Look, before reading this chapter, you should be aware of this thing. Now, acid are of two types, beta. One is strong acid and one is. You have to remember the name of all the weak. How we can tell beta whether acid is weak or strong? If you dissolve in water, if you dissolve in water, if it produces less H plus, then it is what? Weak. If it produces more hydrogen ion, then it is strong. But we'll have to by heart. Which are weak acid? Carbonic, sulfurous, phosphoric. This is nitrous. This is, we have done beta, this Chhatri quiz. Acetic acid, vinegar. And what is this? Hakku, formic acid. Formic acid. If you want, you can write the name of this formic. All these are weak acid. Okay? Weak acid. Hey, we eat, na beta, this apple cider vinegar, beta, right? Na beta, this acetic acid is vinegar. Apple cider vinegar नाम सुना है? क्या हो गया मोक्षित बेटा, इतना कंफ्यूज क्यों है? बोल बेटा. हाँ. तो क्या नहीं है तेरे पास? पेन नहीं है? अभी इसमें से कौन सा ब्लैक है? सब ब्लू ही है. ब्लू भी लिखेगा तो चलेगा ना बेटा. ओके. Okay, Samaira, which are V strong acid. Samaira, which are strong acid. HCl, HNO3, sulfuric acid. These are what? These are normal acid, strong acid. When you dissolve in water, they produce as high H plus ion. They produce as high H. Now, pay attention here. Hey, bhai, Samarth, yahan pe dekh. Hey, we have done why these are all oxide known as acidic, because when you dissolve them in water, you get what? Acids. Just now we did na in the beginning, CO2 plus water, it will give you carbonic acid. Okay. Hey, this is what beta? Metal oxide. They are known as basic. Why? Because if you dissolve in water, they will produce what? Base. When you dissolve them in water, if anything produces base, then that oxide is what? Basic. So, mostly metal oxide are basic. Metal oxide are basic. And all this, can you see? These are non-metal oxide. Generally, non-metal oxide are acids. Now, very important, we are going to study. This is amphoteric. Amphoteric में there are, three are there. How many are there? Please write one more, PPO. Amphoteric means what? How to remember amphoteric? Janabe Ali in pub. Janabe Ali in pub. Hello. Janabe Ali in pub. Listen. Arya beta, pay attention. Janabe Ali in pub means what? Zinc, aluminium and PB. They are what? Ampho. What do you mean by amphoteric, Mokshit? Amphoteric मतलब क्या होता है? It can act as acid as well as base. Amphibia word सुना है? Have you heard word amphibia? Dual character. Yeah. Are frog is an amphibian or not? Tell me, right? So beta, whenever we say amphoteric means it can react as acid as well as base. Samaira beta समझा? Amphoteric means it can react with acid as well as base. It can act as both. Dual character. How to remember? Only in your syllabus, Janabe Aline Pub means zinc oxide, aluminum oxide, and PB oxide. Look, I have written zinc. Zn means zinc, na beta? Ali means aluminum oxide. Pub means PB oxide. Janabe Aline Pub. Is this clear? एम्फोटेरिक क्या होता है? दोनों होता है. एम्फो पर बोथ लिख दूं यहाँ पे, बोथ ऐसे. Both acid and base. Ampho means dual character. It can react with both acid and base. Yeah, tell me, Mokshit, what doubt you have? No doubt. Neutral oxide we have done today only in the beginning. Right now, beta? We have done in the beginning only. Okay. Any difficulty till here? Okay. Now, there are few things which you are supposed to remember. This solubility table I'll explain you later on when we do precipitation reaction. But, shall I erase this? Hello. Chalo. Just more beta, whenever you say generally copper salt are which color? Blue. Exception, copper oxide is what? Black. And this copper carbonate is light green. Please write here, light greenish. Copper carbonate is light green. हाँ, वो greenish blue को cancel करके light green लिख दे. Why we should know this color? Because examiner, he will not say beta, if in exam, if I ask you light green. If in exam I ask you what is the color of copper hydroxide, so what will you say? Blue. Copper oxide, what is the color? Black. Okay. Copper carbonate, light green. Okay. Fe2 plus salt are which color? Dirty green. Fe3 plus salt are which color? Okay, PBO is buff yellow. PBO, lead oxide, is also known as litharge, buff yellow. Now, this is very, very important. Kashmi beta, in exam, they will ask you, name an oxide which is yellow when hot, white when cold. Yellow when hot, white when cold. So, who is that? Zinc oxide. Zinc oxide. Zinc. Okay, Cr2O3 is what, betas? What is this Cr2O3? Do you know?
No.
Chromium oxide or chromic oxide. Chromic oxide. What is the color for chromic oxide? Green. Hey, what is this, beta? Do you all know? Array. Ammonium dichromate. Ammonium dichromate is which color? Orange color. Which color? Orange color. Ammonium dichromate is which color? Orange color. Orange color. And then, hey, if I say yellow non-metal, Samarth, what should come to your mind? Yellow non-metal, sulfur. Yellow non-metal. If I say reddish brown liquid, reddish brown, Anay, what should come to your mind? Reddish brown liquid, bromine. Bromine. Okay. Okay. Just know, यहाँ पे देख. अच्छा, ammonium chloride बोला है, तो what is the color for ammonium chloride? Okay, now I want you to write here something. This Ammonium chloride is which material, you know, beta? It is sublimentary, right? It sublimentary. Jasnoor तू लिख रहा है कि नहीं? सब्लिमेट बेटा ये तू लिख नहीं रहा है, यहाँ पे टाइम पास कर रहा है क्या? तो फिर कुछ नहीं आएगा ये चैप्टर जब तक ये नहीं आएगा।
तो वो पहले वाला लिखा बचा।
तो फिर क्यों अंदर डाला? खड़ा हो जा, खड़े होके लिख पूरा सब। तो बहुत तेरे को नींद आ रही है क्या इधर? Hey, what is sublimentary substance, Amira? Do you know what is sublimentary substance? No, sublimation means what? It will directly grow from solid to gas. Solid to, it won't form liquid. Acha, I'll tell you, in your day-to-day life, we use a lot of sublimentary stuff. Camphor. Then in washroom, we kept naphthalene balls. Right, na beta? All Odonil. Right? Have you seen naphthalene ball? Yeah. Dry ice. I mean, yeah, you keep it in the sink, but that is naphthalene ball. Yeah. Okay. एग्जाम में पूछेंगे सब्लिमेटरी सब्सटेंस, देन व्हाट शुड कम टू योर माइंड? NH4Cl. I have not yet started with the chapter, but I am doing very important part of this chapter first. Because in exam in this chapter, they will ask not direct question, indirect question. Instead of saying ammonium chloride, what they will say is sublimentary substance. So what should come to your mind? Are you getting it? Chalo. Now, if I take any carbonate, any metal carbonate, and if I add dilute acid to it, which gas is released? अरे बेटा कोई भी कार्बोनेट को हम लोग एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Bisulfates and sulfide will give you which gas? SO2. Sulfides will give you which gas? H2S. Botanex smell. Right, beta? Okay. Now we are going to start with now. Look, I have not explained you till now solubility table. Solubility table we'll do later on. So these are very important thing. Okay, I am going to start with one by one. Jasnoor, beta, you tell me. Yeah, first, if I carry out a reaction, what are the characteristics of a chemical reaction? किनको कैसे पता चलेगा कि रिएक्शन हो गया है? What are the characteristics? First is what, beta? During a chemical reaction, gas can be evolved or not? Tell me. So evolution of gas. Evolution of gas. Characteristic of chemical reaction. Characteristic of chemical reaction means reaction. Short form. Hey, during chemical reaction, sometimes what may happen, beta? Change in color. Very good. Third is what? Precipitation or not? Tell me. Okay. Precipitate.
So where is this? Absorption of the.
Okay, then I'll tell you, beta. Wait, beta. Hey, last thing is what? Sometimes after the reaction, if I touch the vessel, it may be hot or it may be cold. So evolution or absorption. Evolution or absorption. I want you to write this on the last page, blank page. Last make them देखो. What are the absorption of heat? Write this characteristic of chemical reaction. Write it. हाँ सब मिलेगा बेटा. स्टेपलर है तो बेटा उसको निकाल दे. निकल गया है ना लास्ट पेज. हाँ उसको आगे डाल दे. सब मिलेगा. ये ले बेटा दे दे उसको. ये जो लास्ट पेज को फर्स्ट पे अटैच कर दे बेटा. हाँ वो निकलेगा मुझे पता है. अरे मैंने उसको बोला था मोटा स्टेपलर मान लेकर फिर पतला मारा. ओके डन. लास्ट पेज अगर निकल जाएगा तो फर्स्ट पे अटैच कर देना. This will come for 2 marks. What are the characteristics of a chemical reaction? I want Miloni, this Jasnoor, Tamaira, Vandani, you have to by heart the valencies. अच्छे से. Are you by hearting, beta, that chart I gave you, big chart? Have you written, have you fixed at home or not?
Yeah.
You have to refer that left hand side all the positive valency and the right hand side all the negative valence. Oh, negative valence at the top. because that is very very important बेटा. स्टेपलर बाय जसनूर उसको भी दे देना, हो जाने के बाद तेरा हो गया. शराब, अरे कुछ नहीं किया है भाई, चलो कर लो. आ गया बेटा, हो गया. देख ले बेटा, टाइम पास बात में नहीं कर रहा. चल बस अभी आ गया. Hey, this will come for 2 marks now. Okay? Now, we are going to go for different types of reaction. Now, listen carefully. Okay? चलो, done all of you? ए बेटा जल्दी लिख ले. समायरा. लास्ट पॉइंट नहीं लिखा बेबी तूने. लिखा सब लिखा. ओके, बस. ए डन बेटा. हेलो. Done. Now, okay. Types of reaction, beta. I'm going to write here something on the board. Jasnoor, you have to tell me. Hey, in this, how many product you can say? Or how many product? So, beta, if in any reaction, if there is only one product, we call it as which reaction? We call it as which reaction? Synthesis later on. First combination, samjha? Okay, A plus B, C. And A is what doing beta? Yeah, it is displacing it. So what you are going to get?
AC plus C.
So which reaction it is?
Displacement, single displacement.
Displacement. What it is? नहीं लिखना नहीं है बेटा. अभी बेटा इधर आ जा बेटा. I am going to write here something. Look here. AB is giving me one reactant is giving me many products. Can you see? It is giving me many products or not? Tell me. Okay, Samaira beta. Hello. One reactant is giving many. Suppose if I use here heat. So it is. So first of all these are which reaction? Decomposition. In decomposition, there is only one reactant. But this decomposition is taking place by absorption of heat. So we call it as with decomposition? Thermal. Here I am using light. Photolytic or photolysis, right beta? And in last case, what I am going to pass? Electric current. So electric current, if I am going to pass, then it is which one?
Asterisk sign, right? Asterisk.
Light. Electrolytic. Okay. Now today we are going to study beta these two first we are going to do. Thermal, this thing. Combination and displacement I'm going to do. Wait beta, now listen first. You listen beta. Have you understood if in any reaction if only one product is there, then it is what beta? Combination. Chalo. Now examiner is very smart. He will not say beta write a reaction of sodium plus sulfur. What he will say? Beta? Sodium. No, shut up. Rock salt.
Oh, sorry, sir. I was saying
Wait. Sodium plus yellow non-metal. So if you don't know yellow non-metal, will you be able to write the reaction? No. Sodium plus greenish yellow gas. So greenish yellow gas is chlorine. Are you getting it? So that is why I taught you that page first. Color and all. Okay. Now, okay. Suppose beta, if I tell you, write a combination reaction in which weak acid is formed. So which is the weak acid?
NH4, PO4.
H2CO3 was weak acid or not?
Oh, sorry, that's base.
Now we have to write a combination reaction. Now we have to write a. So combination में क्या हम लोग लिखेंगे? CO2 plus H2. Are you getting? So examiner will not say write reaction of carbon dioxide plus water. What will say? Write a combination reaction in which weak acid is formed. In which? I am going to give you all these question and answers. Look here. Now, I want all of you to come to the first page of today's notes, which I have given to you, colorful notes.
It's blue color.
Okay, I have written here something. Mokshit beta, I want you to see on this first page, everywhere beta, how many product is there? Only one product is there or not? Tell me. In this entire page, there is only one product or not? Tell me. पूरे पेज में ऊपर से नीचे देखा एक ही प्रोडक्ट है, तो which reaction it is? Combination. It is which reaction? combination. Combination is also called as addition. Now we'll wonder, sir, what is the difference? Please listen carefully. What is the difference between synthesis and combination? In synthesis, beta, both of them will be element. When both are element and it give only one compound, then it is known as which reaction? Look, can you see this is single element, this is single element or not? Now examiner will not say write a reaction of Fe with sulfur. What will say? Write a reaction of Fe with yellow non-metal. इसे देख मैंने यहाँ पे लिख के दिया आपको yellow non-metal. Are you getting it? Okay. Vanini, this is also element, this is also element. So it is both these are synthesis. What is the difference here? Tell me, beta. Look here. This is element, but is this element, beta? Samaira, ये element है क्या? No, ना compound है ना. So this is not synthesis. This or now all the reaction are what? Combination. So what is the difference between combination and synthesis? Both are element. And here it will be element or compound or compound or compound. Okay. Now look. Here. Anay. Now in exam, what I told you, beta, they will ask you not directly write a reaction of carbon dioxide with water. What they will ask you? Write a combination reaction in which? वीक एसिड. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए था. आज मैंने सबसे पहले आपको यही पढ़ाया था कि नहीं? बोलो वीक एसिड. So out of these three reaction, any one you can write. Therefore, beta, I have given this special notes where I have written all this information to you. So whenever you study, you will understand. So in examiner, now what question examiner can ask? Miloni, beta. इस पे मैं क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता हूँ? Write a reaction in combination reaction in which? What is form? हाँ. तो लुक बेटा, मैं आपको है ना ऐसा एक वर्कशीट देने वाला हूं जिसमें ये सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है. लुक, व्हाट इज माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? समायरा, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन हियर? लुक दिस. राइट अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू कंपाउंड्स टू गिव यू. So out of these four reaction, you can write these three reaction any one. Just now we did this only, na beta? Hello, look here. Yeah, you do. I'll give you this question answer worksheet पूरा read कर with question and answer. अब लेकिन first, are you understanding what type of question they will ask? Because if in textbook, if you directly read, you will not get anything. Examiner ऐसा twist करके पूछेगा question. Therefore, I taught you first what are weak acid, what are strong acid. Now, suppose if I ask you write a combination reaction in which strong alkali. Who was strong alkali? Lena K. Right now, beta? So look, Na2 look strong. Write a combination reaction in which strong alkali is formed. So we'll write this reaction. Hey, which was the weak alkali? Calcium hydroxide. And NH4OH. Yeah? So calcium hydroxide. Hey, write a combination reaction on which weak alkali is formed. So which reaction you will write? Are you getting it? Hello. Yeah, you can write NH3 plus H2 wala bhi. Online students, I hope you are getting Anubhuti beta. You are getting what I am trying to say. What type of question they will ask?
Yes,
Look,
sir. Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yeah, here, suppose beta, look, I have written this question. Look. अरे यार, शेयर करने का है. हाँ, ये लो. A, what is written here, beta? Combination of two compounds to give you. Look, beta, ये आंसर है, रेड मिलेगा. Combination of two compounds to give you. यहाँ जो बेटा, यहाँ इधर देख, ये क्वेश्चन आएंगे ऐसे. ये देखिए स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कली है कि नहीं, तो तेरे को पहले पता होना चाहिए विच आर स्ट्रॉन्ग अल्कली, विच आर वीक. Therefore, that last page was very, very important. क्योंकि if I directly start with this, they will not hurry, sir, ये क्या होता है? तो therefore, I explain you. So first, you will have to buy out those things. Write a combination reaction in which strong acid is formed. Who was your strong acid? So you will say, sir, where is this reaction? It is there in my notes. Don't worry. आप बोलेंगे सर यहाँ पे तो नहीं है बेटा, इधर पे मैं बता रहा हूँ. Now don't refer right now, but I'll just show you. Look here, what is written? ये देख, combination reaction to give you strong acid. Are you getting it? Therefore, I made you remember. You will have to remember this first. What are strong acid and what are clear? Have you understood what type of question will come? Okay, good. Then beta, we go to the next part. Chalo, aja. So these are all combination. Acha, in exam, I can ask you, Arya, one more question. Write a combination reaction in which 3 reactant gives you 1 product. So out of these 2, any one you can write. Like, how many reactant are here? 1, 2, 3. And how many product only? Huh?
Lactic person.
हाँ ये टू रिएक्ट अच्छा अभी बेटा नेक्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन वी आर गोइंग टू डू ना बेटा काम नहीं होगा बेटा तू इधर आजा आगे आजा मेरे पास तेरे को ठंडी नहीं लगेगी और कम करो ठंडा ही तो है और 20 तो कर दिया बेटा
Sir, you can increase the fan का speed.
दोनों फैन का स्पीड करेगा ना तो
ये था.
हाँ, ये कर दिया मैंने फैन स्पीड हाई रखा है मैंने ओके ए मोक्षित बेटा now in exam you should know beta calcium valence is 2 magnesium is how much 2 okay now tell me beta how many product are formed in this so all these are which reaction combination and both are elements so they are basically what synthesis okay now what how you got this calcium valence is how much beta 2 nitrogen is 3 so what you'll get calcium nitride have you understood this I am explaining with the valency aluminium and nitrogen. Aluminium is how much? 3. Nitrogen is also 3. So 3 will get cancel or not? Tell me. बननी बेटा ये तेरे को समझा तूने रॉन्ग किया था मैग्नीशियम नाइट्राइड पहला ही तूने रॉन्ग किया था पहले हाँ ऑप्शन में तूने क्या गड़बड़ किया था तूने 3 यहाँ पे डाल दिया था 2 यहाँ मैग्नीशियम बैलेंस इज हाउ मच 2 नाइट्रोजन इज 3 सो व्हाट यू शुड गेट आर यू गेटिंग इट डियर So look beta again as I told you earlier right from first class I am telling you if you don't remember valency all your compound formation will go wrong and if your compound formation is wrong your balancing will go wrong.
How is it 540?
Huh?
Is that clock broken?
Okay just ignore okay now now look how I'll twist the question Arya write a reaction of Fe with greenish yellow gas which was greenish yellow gas today we studied na chlorine. And it will always now this is very important reaction ए भाई इधर इधर देख टाइम पास मत कर वो टाइम देखने का तो वहां पे लिखा हुआ देख टीवी में इधर पे ये ले क्लियर
Oh.
ओके Arya beta this is very important reaction Fe react with greenish yellow gas so greenish yellow gas what should come to your mind greenish yellow gas is chlorine and here whenever it will react students get confused please remember it will not form FeCl2 it will form what FeCl are you getting it hello
Sir, why FeCl? Sorry.
अच्छा तो now you'll ask sir when FeCl2 will be formed I'll tell you beta when FeCl2 will form when Fe react with HCl then at that time it will give you FeCl2 plus hydrogen okay now can you see this reaction zinc plus yellow non-metal so you should know yellow non-metal are what and all sulfide are beta insoluble so, therefore I have written here insoluble all sulfide salt are except for sodium and potassium. Now in exam beta if I tell you, now this is very interesting. Now come to page number 3. Okay. Uday. Now look, examiner will ask you question. Write a combination reaction between two neutral gas to give you neutral liquid. Water is a neutral liquid or not? Tell me.
Yes.
So look here. I have written all this. Neutral gas plus neutral gas gives you what? Whenever I write plus triangle means reaction is exothermic. So examiner is very smart. He will not ask you write reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. What he will say? Write a combination reaction between two neutral gas to give you neutral liquid. Same question I have given in the worksheet also. What is written here? Come on. Look at this question. Combination of two neutral gas to give you अब समझा बेटा इसलिए मैंने फर्स्ट एकदम स्टार्टिंग में आज आपको क्या पढ़ाया था व्हाट आर न्यूट्रल गैसेस अंडरस्टूड व्हेन वाटर इज द न्यूट्रल लिक्विड और नॉट टेल मी मोक्षित आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल कम देख बेटा ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी आया कि नहीं ट्राइवेलेंट मेटल विद कलर्ड गैस जस्ट नाउ वी डिड दिस रिएक्शन और नॉट एट कलर्ड गैस मींस क्लोरीन ग्रीनिश येलो गैस ओके Hello, yellow non-metal with neutral gas. Who is yellow non-metal? Neutral gas, oxygen. You get what? Sulfur dye. Questioning is very, very important. Now, what type of question I'll ask based on this? Kashvi beta. Write a combination reaction between two neutral gas to give you basic gas. Pure syllabus mein which is the only basic gas? Are you getting it? Acha, now what is very important in this reaction? Listen carefully. First of all, it is what beta? Reversible. And secondly, this reaction is what beta? Exothermic. What beta? Now, if you forget to write this double arrow, you lose mass. Okay. Now, and you have to write this temperature, pressure, catalyst. And here, one more thing you will write. Promoter. Who is the promoter in this reaction? Molybdenum. Who is the promoter?
No formula क्या
लिख रहा हूं ना बाजू में MO. Molybdenum. What is promoter? Promoter increases efficiency of catalyst. Write this definition. वहां पे नोट्स में लिखो. ये तुम ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट बेटा, all this thing you will copy from your friends. I have given this printed notes today in the class. Hello. Anubhuti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suhani, Arnav.
Yes, sir.
I have given this today colorful notes. And why are you attending all today online? स्कूल नहीं था क्या आज आप लोगों का?
Well, I was kind of sick, and Sohani didn't come as well. Because, like, I don't know. She felt sick. I don't know.
हाँ वही
Have you understood what type of questioning will come? Write a combination reaction in which basic gas is formed. Listen. In textbook, they have not mentioned all these things. In textbook, just they have written reaction nitrogen plus hydrogen. That's it. But examiner, what type of question they will ask? Have you understood this? So, shall I erase this? Do it fast. Hello. Yeah, shall I erase this? Hello.
अरे सुहानी ऐसा ओ
चलो. Done? हाँ तो दे दे, इधर दे दे, मेरे पास ही रखता हूँ. जान दे, तुम लोग कोई देने नहीं वाले हो ना, रखना पहला मेरे पास ही रखो. हाँ क्या हो गया?
क्या हो गया?
किसने कुछ बोला ना?
molybdenum
चलो ओके, मोलिब्डेनम हो गया बेटा. यहाँ पे आ जाओ. Write a combination reaction in which strong acid is formed.
Liebig's condensate.
So can you see? Well, Liebig can what here? Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric. This reaction you'll have to write SO3 plus H2O. Now this is also very important reaction. Hello. Achha, tell me, one product is formed in this, so it is a combination. Write a reaction between hydrogen and what you can write here? Greenish yellow gas. Chlorine is which gas? And HCl is what? Acidic gas. Now in this reaction, who is the catalyst? Kashmi beta, who is the catalyst? Moisture. What you have to use here? Diffused sunlight. Give reason why direct sunlight is not used in this reaction. Because if you use direct sunlight, then the reaction will become explosive. Yeah, burn, explosive. Reaction will become explosive. ये बस ये बाद में मारना उसको यहाँ पे ठीक है?
I never entered it
Okay. Now, Samarth, this is very important reaction now. Write a combination reaction between basic gas and acidic gas. So only basic gas in your syllabus is which one? Right? Okay. Acidic gas is HCl. And what you get? Ammonium. And what was the color of ammonium chloride? That's why. In the beginning only I taught you na today this. In the beginning. Right, beta? Yeah. Hey, one more question, Samaira. I will ask you one question. This. Write your observation when ammonia react with HCl. So observation. So what observation you see? And I show. Are you getting it? Okay. बोलो.
acetic gas और basic gas तो
नहीं तो हाँ ये न्यूट्रल गैस नहीं है, ये सॉल्ट है. दिस इज सॉल्ट. सॉल्ट आर न्यूट्रल ना बेटा. Okay. And it also depends what type of acid, again, what type of salt. So nature of salt you study with a higher standard. If you take strong acid and weak base, then your salt will be acidic. If you take strong weak acid and strong base, then your salt will be basic. अरे बेटा एक स्ट्रॉन्ग और एक वीक है तो जो स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेगा वो नेचर होगा उसका. ठीक है ना?
तो यहाँ पर NH3 stronger than HCl.
No, no, HCl is a strong acid. So ये salt तेरा acidic
Acid but acid box में
नहीं लिखा है, कुछ नहीं लिखा है, समझा? This reaction is very important. Whenever phosphorus react with, we did this in balancing. Phosphorus react with oxygen. What do you get? Phosphorus penta.
एक में भी
हाँ. So this is all about your which reaction?
explosive.
Combination.
I was reading.
Now look here. Miloni beta, we are going to do this reaction here beta. First you see beta यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Next page.
My God.
Halogens.
Okay, Miloni beta, look here. This is A B को लात मार रहा है कि नहीं? Listen. Is A displacing B? So whenever one element will displace another element, then it is which reaction? Displacement. Jasnoor, what is the logic for this? कोई भी किसी को लात नहीं मार सकता है. Okay, yeah, मैं बताता हूँ. What is the logic? A, the one who is going to kick should be what? Alone. Is it alone? Yes. And the one to whom which is kicking, it should be in which state? Combined state. Right? And what is the logic? This, the one who is going. Hey, bye, bus. उदय बेटा जो किक मारेगा वो कौन होगा? मोर रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट. अच्छा, मोर reactive. How will you understand which is more reactive and less reactive? So yeah, you have to remember this reactivity series. I have given you the nice trick here, beta, with mnemonic. Can you see? What is the mnemonic? Can you see? Listen, all of you, please pay attention. Right? Hello, listen. करीना ने कार मांगी अल्टो जैन फरारी, फिर भी है क्यूट मर्क्यूरी सिल्वर प्लेटेड ऑडी. करीना, हाँ हाँ हाँ, जो भी, हाँ जो भी तेरे को लिखना याद रहेगा वो याद रख. ये मेरे निमोनिक में विल गेट द एग्जैक्ट सिंबल. करीना मींस व्हाट? पोटेशियम, सोडियम, कैल्शियम, मांगी मैग्नीशियम, अल्टो एल्यूमिनियम, जैन जिंक, फरारी आयन, एफी, फिर भी पीबी लेड, है हाइड्रोजन, क्यूट कॉपर, मर्क्यूरी एचजी सिल्वर. वो बाद में बताऊंगा तेरे को, पहले यहाँ पे जो है वो देखना. प्लेटेड ऑडी. नाउ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Anay, they will ask you which is the most reactive element in the reactivity series. Which is the least reactive? Sometimes what they will do, beta, they will give you any four randomly, and they will tell you arrange them in the increasing order of reactivity.
So they give 3 from the reactivity series and 1 that is not.
No, ऐसा नहीं आएगा कभी भी, ठीक है ना? नहीं, ऐसा होगा ही नहीं, possible. Okay. Have you understood the logic? Hello. Have you understood the logic? What type of question? अच्छा, now the one who will displace, मिलोनी जो डिस्प्लेस करने वाला होगा वो रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में कहां पर होना चाहिए? ऊपर. अच्छा, above one can displace the lower. Above one can displace the lower, but the lower one cannot displace the above. अभी now look here, look at this reaction. मिलोनी फर्स्ट रिएक्शन. पहला ये मैग्नीशियम है, यहाँ पे जिंक सल्फेट है. पहला बता, मैग्नीशियम इज ऑल अलोन. पे अटेंशन, इज मैग्नीशियम ऑल अलोन? अच्छा, मैग्नीशियम कहां पर है? इधर है. एंड वेयर इज जिंक बेटा? पे अटेंशन, वेयर इज जिंक? बिलो. सो विल इट डिस्प्लेस इट और नॉट? टेल मी. ये एक लात मारेगा. क्लियर है? ओके. लुक हियर जसनूर, ये क्या है? यहाँ पर जिंक है, दिख रहा है?
Zinc.
सेकेंड रिएक्शन. और कॉपर. अच्छा, जिंक ऊपर है, कॉपर कहां पर है?
This is the most common.
तो ऊपर वाला नीचे वाले को लात मारेगा. मारेगा ना लात? हाँ, तो देख, it will displace. The above one will displace the below. But the below one cannot displace the above. Mokshit, now tell me beta, can copper displace zinc? Look here. कॉपर नीचे है और जिंक ऊपर है. क्या ये कॉपर जिंक को डिस्प्लेस करेगा क्या? Not possible. Understood? Have you understood the logic? Now, what are the various application-based questions they ask based on this? Application-based question. Okay. Before going to that, now tell me, उदय, क्या जिंक H को लात डिस्प्लेस करेगा? Will zinc displace H? Look at the reactivity series. Zinc above and H is below, so it will displace. You get zinc chloride and hydrogen. Will magnesium displace hydrogen? Yes. Can you see magnesium is displacing hydrogen? Clear? Samarth, will copper displace hydrogen?
No.
Why?
It's below.
Copper is below and hydrogen is up, so it won't displace. Is this clear? Hello. Right. Pakka. Are you getting it? Now, what application-based question will be asked? Vanini, you have to answer this. Chalo, aa jao. I have given you beta zinc container. What I have given you? Zinc container. Zinc. Miloni, pay attention here. In this, I have stored copper sulfate. I have stored. Give reason. Can copper sulfate be stored in zinc container? Tell me. Chalo. Vanini, how to think? Array, see the reactivity series.
Yeah, ZnSO4 plus 3.
No. अरे करीना ने कार मांगी अल्टो जैन फरारी फिर भी है क्यूट so zinc will displace this or not?
Yeah, so ZnSO4.
So what you will say beta, you cannot store. Why? Because zinc is more reactive, it will displace this copper sulfate. So what is the logic to store any compound? Hey Bhojani, what is the logic to store any compound in any vessel? So what should be happen? What should happen? That neutral ने भी ये जो vessel है ना तेरा vessel वाला element है, vessel वाला element should be below the reactivity series. Our solution should be above. Clear? Okay. One more question. Samaira, you have to answer. I have taken an iron nail. What I have taken?
Paris.
Iron nail. This is iron nail. Can I store this iron nail in copper sulfates? What will happen when you keep iron nail in copper sulfate solution? बोलो हाँ Fe हाँ तो क्या हो जाएगा FeSO4 yeah very good so we have to all these are application based question उदय यहाँ पे देख enough Fe will displace so what you will get so what will happen beta this copper sulfate is which color blue but what will happen Fe sulfate will be formed na so Fe sulfate is which color green so blue color solution will fade and you will get which color solution green and which metal will get deposited reddish brown copper is which color understood all these are application based question Mokshit are you getting it or not tell me बेटा एकदम लॉजिक बताओ क्या जो भी कंटेनर में अगर तुझे स्टोर करना है तो कंटेनर का एलिमेंट है ना शुड बी लोअर नॉट अबव इन द रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज एज कंपेयर टू द सॉल्यूशन क्लियर
Sir, CO is reddish brown.
या रेडिश ब्राउन हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन दे विल आस्क ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आएंगे एग्जाम में now beta we have done reactivity series में beta which metal are above in the reactivity series carina and so beta these carina and car they are highly reactive so they will react with cold water ज्यादा reactive है ना बेटा so they will react with which water cold water but magnesium will react with which one boiling water I'll have to boil it
Less vigorously.
and ये बेटा और नीचे है ना बेटा तो ये सब कैसे रिएक्ट हो गए they won't react with cold water or boiling water they will react with why we have to heat it above one where above element where what reactive so therefore they can react with normal water magnesium below है ना बेटा तो normal water से react नहीं I'll have to heat it why because it is less reactive ना बेटा and for remaining three I have to heat it to a very high extent clear है look all these things I have given here
Oh yeah, you did.
इधर ही है सब ये देख सब इधर है चुपचाप बैठो ये देख करीना एंड कार दे रिएक्ट विद कोल्ड वाटर और नॉट टेल मी व्हाई बिकॉज दे वर हाईली रिएक्टिव फॉर मैग्नीशियम मुझे क्या लेना पड़ा और एल्यूमिनियम बाकी सब नीचे था तो व्हाट आई हैव टू टेक Are you getting it? Why? Cold, boiling, and steam, because reactivity is decreasing. So they won't react at normal conditions. So we have to heat it. Now, beta, we are going to study something called as the halogen in periodic table. कहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे? अच्छा, आपको याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है फिलहाल, आपको खाली ये याद रखना है. Halo means salt. Halo means Gen means producer. So what are they? The halogen means they are salt producer. They are what? अच्छा बेटा, हेलोजन में कौन कौन है बेटा? क्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन. फर्स्ट क्लास बिरयानी आयोड. अच्छा, ये मैं फ्लोरीन को सोडियम के साथ रिएक्ट करूंगा तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? सोडियम फ्लोराइड. इट इज द सॉल्ट और नॉट? सोडियम क्लोरीन के साथ रिएक्ट होगा तो सोडियम क्लोराइड. सो ऑल दीज दे फॉर्म सॉल्ट और नॉट? टेल मी. हाँ, ये खा सकते हैं हम लोग, खाते भी है ना बेटा नमक. हाँ या सब टूथपेस्ट में भी यूज होता है. एनीवेज, क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? हाँ हाँ या. So have you understood what are halogens? These are the element which produce salt. Astatine, that you don't have to study because it is radioactive. F is fluorine. So now but I have given this reactivity series for this also. Halogen में भी क्या logic होगा बोलो? What will be the logic?
First class.
Yeah, first class biryani I ate. That is the name of the element. Okay. If you want, I will give you this. First, F is what beta? First class का first means fluorine.
Fluorine.
Okay, fluorine. This is fluorine. This is chlorine. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Bromine, iodine ऐसा, so on. Okay, this is astatine. It is astatine. नहीं पढ़ने का है, वो radioactive है, उसके बारे में लोग नहीं पढ़ेंगे. Okay, what is the logic for this, Arya? Here also above metal will displace the below. Above metal will displace the below. Now tell me, Uday, रेडियोएक्टिव बेटा, तू उस पे तू ऐसा एक्सपेरिमेंट करेगा ना, वो तेरे पे एक्सपेरिमेंट करेगा, रेडिएशन पास करे.
सर अगर मैं पोटेशियम के कप लॉबी आगे से
तो आग निकलेगी बहुत. आयोडीन.
वाटर पार्क में जाओ.
अबे ये ले आयोडीन, ब्रोमीन, क्लोरीन.
होता ना वेट पूल में.
Okay. Now, pay attention here now.
बिहार में सोडियम.
बेटा अभी तू मेरे को बता, यहाँ पे लॉजिक है, above one will displace below. Above one will displace
below.
अभी तू मेरे को बता, क्या ये क्लोरीन ब्रोमीन को लात मार सकता है? तो देखने का, क्लोरीन कहाँ पर है? पे अटेंशन. क्लोरीन इज ब्रोमीन इज बिलो ना बेटा, तो क्लोरीन विल डिस्प्लेस ब्रोमीन. देख बेटा यहाँ पे ब्रोमीन बाहर आ गया कि नहीं? Can iodine displace? Can chlorine displace iodine? Can chlorine displace iodine? Yeah, so chlorine is displacing iodine. Right? Okay, whenever bromine is formed here, what you write? Reddish brown vapors. Write it. Reddish brown. And iodine is what? Violet. Violet. Violet vapors. अरे वेपर बन के बाहर आएगा ना, वॉइल. हाँ.
So only in this reaction is violet, or otherwise also.
Otherwise also. Have you understood this beta non-metal का reactivity series? Any difficulty till here? Hello. Clear. Now we are going to do few things. That is decomposition. And in decomposition also we are going to do only and only what? Thermal one. Today we will complete thermal one. What time है बेटा?
16, 17.
हाँ 20 नहीं 20
Half an hour more is there. Okay. Yeah.
So fun class.
Hey, shut up. No fun. Pay attention here.
I think 21.
Now I want to do decomposition. There are many things, beta. What all things we are going to study, beta? Many things. First, what we are going to study? Decomposition of nitrates. क्या करेंगे? Nitrate. Okay. Nitrate. अच्छा. Then we have to study about carbonates. What we have to study about? Then we are going to study about hydroxide. What we are going to study about? Pay attention here. पहले यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, फिर मैं तुमको everything is given, nothing to write, beta. Wait, pay attention. Okay. Before that, beta, we have to do decomposition of this hydroxide, okay, carbonates and nitrate. चलो बेटा, सबसे पहले आपको वैलेंसी आना चाहिए. समायरा नाइट्रेट का वैलेंसी क्या है? NO3 1 माइनस। तो अगर बेटा मैंने सोडियम लिया तो क्या बनेगा बोलो बेटा? नानो 3। अगर इफ आई टेक पोटेशियम देन व्हाट आई विल गेट? आर यू गेटिंग इट? पहले ये सब पता होना चाहिए। ओके, यू नो समथिंग कॉल्ड एज देयर इज नाइट्राइट। नाइट्राइट का वैलेंसी क्या है? 1 ननी NO2 1 माइनस। So if you take K plus, what you'll get? K plus 2. Very good. If I take sodium, then nano 2. Right, beta? Right?
Yeah.
Is this clear to all of you? Is this clear? Okay. Now, I am going to do decomposition of nitrate. What you have to remember the logic? We are going to remember this only. Karina ने कार मांगी अल्टोज एंड फरारी, फिर भी है क्यूट मर्क्यूरी सिल्वर। बस यहां तक ही। Why? Gold and platinum, they do not react because they are inert. Okay. Now I am doing thermal decomposition of nitrate. I am doing thermal decomposition of Samaira. Pay attention. Nitrates. So now we will take a range. There are so many nitrates. Uday beta, pay attention. There are so many nitrates, but we are going to go in a sequence. I have made a range for you all. Samaira beta, if I take first two nitrate, which are the first two? Carina. So if you take Carina ka nitrate and if you heat it, so you will get what beta? Nitrite and oxygen. What you will always get? Don't write all these things I have given. It will always give you nitrite and oxide. Chalo beta, now just now we did. A, what is the formula of potassium nitrate? KNO3. Sodium nitrate will be what? Just now we did na. This is KNO 3 and nano 3, and if you heat it, what you will get? KNO 2, and here it will get nano 2 plus oxygen.
MgNO.
Clear? No.
Sorry.
So what is the trick for Carina ka nitrate? It will always give you nitrite and
Oxygen.
oxygen. ओके मिलोनी, हाँ बैलेंस कर दूंगा ना बेटा, रो मत ना बे, ये ले 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 ले। आई एम गोइंग टू डू नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. मिलोनी, if I take nitrate from calcium to copper, from where? Calcium to copper, any nitrate if I take any, so it will give me metal oxide. It will give me what? Metal oxide plus NO2 plus O2 plus NO2 plus, तो ये रेंज तेरे को याद रखने का. टन टन टन. अभी बेटा मुझे चले, कैल्शियम का वैलेंसी कितना होता है बोल बेटा? 2 प्लस. नाइट्रेट इज हाउ मच? 1 माइनस. सो व्हाट विल गेट? हाँ ये सब पता होना चाहिए. कैल्शियम का वैलेंसी 2 है, ऑक्सीजन का 2 है, तो 2 कट होके क्या मिलेगा? या तो अच्छा, if I take nitrate of calcium, now pay attention, don't look there, pay attention here. If I take nitrate of this thing, is calcium to copper, so first you have to say, is it between Ka to Ku? Yes. Kaku. Right. पोटेशियम कैल्शियम टू कॉपर के बीच में आता है कि नहीं है? अच्छा, what it will give you? मेटल ऑक्साइड. इसमें मेटल कौन है? कैल्शियम नाइट. हाँ तो CaO मिलेगा, और ये बाय डिफॉल्ट मिलेगा कि नहीं बोलो? क्लियर? हियर बैलेंसिंग का आई विल गिव यू द ट्रिक आल्सो. 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Okay. Now I am giving you one more. Chalo, Mokshit beta, if I give you, suppose in this copper nitrate, so what it will give you? Tell me.
CuO.
Metal oxide. Who is the metal in this? CuO plus NO2 plus O2. Understood? Okay. From this, any nitrate, if I take from here to here, suppose if I take lead nitrate, Manini, tell me, if I take lead nitrate, what I'll get?
PbO
हाँ,
plus NO2.
अब समझ में आया बेटा? तो बाय हार्ट नहीं करने का. बाय हार्ट आपको सिर्फ क्या करने का है? व्हाट विल बाय हार्ट? ओनली दिस रेंज. फॉर दिस इज द ट्रिक. फॉर कैल्शियम टू कॉपर, दिस इज द ट्रिक. आर यू गेटिंग इट? अच्छा, अभी क्या है? लास्ट के दो है. अनय बेटा, यहाँ पे देखो, मर्क्यूरी और सिल्वर का नाइट्रेट होगा. मर्क्यूरी एंड, so it will always give you metal because they are lower na beta. The element which are below in the reactivity series, they always try to remain alone. Why? Because they are least reactive. So what it will give me? Come on, Anay.
Closeness or greenish.
It will give you metal bata. Suppose if I take silver nitrate, what it will give me? Tell me. Who is the metal in this? So Ag plus NO2 plus O2. If I take mercury nitrate, then what I'll get? Who is the metal? Hg plus NO2 and O2. Are you getting it? Hello? तो नाइट्रेट का कोई भी नाइट्रेट अभी आप दूंगा तो आपको खाली तीन चीज याद रखने का. करीना का नाइट्रेट गिव्स मी नाइट्राइड एंड ऑक्सीजन. कैल्शियम टू कॉपर का नाइट्रेट will give me what? Metal oxide NO2 and O2. And last two will always give me what? Metal NO2 and O2. Now अभी मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. जसनूर पहला क्वेश्चन. Name a nitrate. Listen carefully. Name a nitrate which give oxygen as the only gas. Oxygen as the only gas. देख ऊपर से नीचे कहां पे सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन आ रहा था. ये इधर पे देख ऑक्सीजन ही आ रहा था ना. यहाँ पे NO2 और O2 आ रहा था. यहाँ पे भी NO2. तो खाली ऑक्सीजन किसने दिया. तो करीना का नाइट्रेट. वैसा एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा. करीना का नाइट्रेट विल गिव मी व्हाट. ऑक्सीजन एज द ओनली गैस.
Potassium.
ऑक्सीजन एज द ओनली गैस.
Yeah.
गैस की बात चले. पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट इज द सॉल्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम आस्किंग यू ओनली. चलो. नेम अ नाइट्रेट. नेम अ मेटल नाइट्रेट. Name a metal nitrate which give its own metal. Which give its own metal on decomposition. Own metal.
And
Metal. Metal. Its own metal. Its own metal.
Ag plus N.
अरे समझ में आ रहा है क्वेश्चन क्या बोला. वो खुद का मेटल देगा. ये क्या ये मेटल देता है. क्या ये मेटल दे रहा है. मेटल ऑक्स. ये क्या दे रहा है. वो क्या बोल रहा था मैं सुन रहा था. समझा ना. हाँ नहीं. तो सुन क्वेश्चन. Now have you understood? I am always emphasizing on type of question. आर्या बेटा I am emphasizing on what? Because इस बुक में खाली ऐसा रिएक्शन पढ़ोगी तो कुछ नहीं आएगा. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे. क्लियर है. और ऐसा मैं वर्कशीट आपके लिए बनाया हूं. Wherein all these question answers will be. Are you getting it? Clear? Name a nitrate Mokshit which give its own metal oxide. हाँ तो ऐसा any from calcium to. Have you understood this? अभी आपका काम मैंने बहुत आसान बना दिया. मैंने आपको ये पूरा सिस्टमेटिक ट्रिक के साथ दिया. देखो इधर. Look बेटा. What we are doing decomposition. And in that also we are doing which decomposition? Come on. Thermal. And I given the trick for nitrate. Look, Karina ka nitrate will give me what? Nitrite and oxygen. Then I made a sequence for you. Calcium to copper, any nitrate, it will give you what? Are you getting it? Then I made a trick for what? Lower also. ये नीचे का दो सिल्वर और ये मर्क्यूरी क्या देगा. Therefore I have prepared this colorful note specially for you. You will understand. Can you see it gives you metal and NO2 and O2. Are you getting it? Hello. I have given all this trick. That is why I was saying don't write. I have given all this trick or not. Tell me. Now I'll tell you one more thing, beta. Okay. Now come to this. We are going to go for which trick now? Hydroxide. Which trick I am going to do? Hey, क्या नाम है बेटा? Anay. What is the trick for hydroxide again? If I take Karina ka hydroxide, which hydroxide? Karina ka hydroxide. If I heat it, it does not decompose. It does not. Name a hydroxide which does not decompose on heating. Arya, name a hydroxide which does not decompose on heating. Just no root रे. देगा ग्राफ्टा. दिख रहा है कि नहीं? तो पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है. Anyways. Clear है? This type of question they will ask. What is the trick, Samaira, for this hydroxide from calcium to copper? What is the trick? It will give you. So suppose if I take calcium hydroxide, who is the metal in this? So calcium oxide. If I take zinc hydroxide, then if I take copper hydroxide, then suppose I would have taken aluminium hydroxide, then aluminium oxide plus water. Are you getting it? Calcium to copper any. रिदम. अच्छा अभी लास्ट का दो कभी भी लेंगे तो लास्ट का दो कभी भी क्या देगा बेटा. टेल मी. अरे मर्क्यूरी और सिल्वर का दे विल ऑलवेज गिव यू व्हाट. मेटल. मेटल प्लस वाटर प्लस O2. ए नीचे वाला अकेला रहेगा कि नहीं बोलो. सो सपोज इफ आई वुड हैव टेकन सिल्वर हाइड्रोक्साइड, व्हाट इट वुड हैव गिवन मी. टेल मी. सिल्वर प्लस वाटर प्लस ऑक्सीजन. If I would have taken mercury hydroxide, what it would have given me? Tell me. Miloni, what it will give me? Who is the metal? Okay. Now in exam, what question they will ask? Name a metal hydroxide which give its own metal. Panini, name the metal hydroxide which give its own metal. HgON. Are you getting it? What type of question will come? All this is given here. Look, beta. ये देख रहा है कि नहीं देखना? Hg plus HO. Clear? Okay. Uday, I am going to go for the next trick. Carbonates. What I am going to do now? Carbonates. First question. Same. You have to remember that series. Karina से लेके end तक. Tell me, beta, Karina का carbonate. What happens if you heat it? Then do not react. Uday, name a carbonate which does not decompose on heating. Which two carbonates? अरे देखना झिंगे यहाँ पे दिखा नहीं रहा है क्या? Potassium and sodium carbonate. If I take carbonate from calcium to copper, what it will give me? And देखना अंधा है क्या पे? CO2. चलो now tell me in calcium. Pay attention here. अरे यहाँ पे देख कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट में who is the metal? वहां पे क्यों देख रहा है यहाँ पे? अरे पहला जो क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है वो सुनना. कैल्शियम इज द मेटल और नॉट?
Yes.
तो मेटल ऑक्साइड क्या बनेगा? कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट में हु इज द मेटल? मैग्नीशियम. जिंक कार्बोनेट में हु इज द मेटल? जिंक. आर यू गेटिंग इट? ट्रिक याद रहेगा. सुमेरा लास्ट टू. मर्क्यूरी एंड सिल्वर का कार्बोनेट लोअर वन हमेशा क्या करेगा? ऑलवेज ट्राई टू रिमेन अलोन ना. इट विल गिव यू व्हाट? Metal plus CO2 plus. Name a carbonate which give its own metal on decomposition. Hg and mercury carbon. अब question, are you getting it? Name a carbonate which does not decompose on heating.
Potassium, sodium.
Clear है? Okay. मिलोनी अभी देख ऑक्साइड में क्या है? K से लेके कॉपर तक का ऑक्साइड डिकम्पोज होता ही. तो इसमें बस खाली अपना दो ही है मर्क्यूरी. ये दोनों हमेशा कैसा रहना पसंद करेगा? अलोन ना. तो इट विल गिव यू व्हाट? मेटल एंड ऑक्सीजन. सो देख मर्क्यूरी ऑक्साइड गिव यू मेटल एंड मर्क्यूरी एंड ऑक्सीजन. सिल्वर ऑक्साइड विल गिव यू सिल्वर एंड. कितना इजी है. मैंने सारे थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन आपको बता दिया. क्या बता दिया? अभी आप बोलोगे आपको आज याद है मैंने आपको बहुत सारा चीज बताया था. क्या बताया था स्टार्टिंग में? चलो मैं आपको फिर से दो तीन चीज इंपॉर्टेंट बता देता हूं. अगर मैं आपको बोलूंगा रेडिश ब्राउन गैस तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आना चाहिए? रेडिश ब्राउन गैस. रेडिश ब्राउन गैस. NO2 गैस बोला है. ब्रोमीन वाज लिक्विड. ओके. इफ आई से what is the color of copper nitrate? Copper nitrate was which color? Blue. Copper oxide was which color? Black. आज मैंने स्टार्टिंग में अंडरलाइन करवाया था कि नहीं? PbO is which color? Buff yellow. लिथार उसका नाम होता है buff yellow. याद आ रहा है कि नहीं? फिर ये सब मैंने आपको लिखवाया हुआ है. जिंक ऑक्साइड इज व्हाट? येलो व्हेन हॉट, व्हाइट व्हेन कोल्ड. ये सब मैंने बताया था कि नहीं? बोलो. अभी ऐसा मैंने क्यों बताया आप लोगों को? ये सब क्यों हाईलाइट? आज को पता है आपको कॉपर कार्बोनेट का मैंने करेक्शन करवाया था. व्हाट कलर इट इज? लाइट ग्रीन. क्या था? नाउ बेटा ऑन वन क्वेश्चन आई कैन आस्क यू 10 डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. ऑन वन रिएक्शन आई कैन आस्क यू हाउ मच? पहला क्वेश्चन देख अभी बेटा. ये लिखो मत. ये सब अभी दिया है. क्या तो लिख रहा है बेटा? ये देख आज हम लोग ने लास्ट में ये सब लास्ट पेज पे ये सब करवाया था कि नहीं? ये देख कॉपर कार्बोनेट ग्रीन. ये दिख रहा है कि नहीं? लास्ट पेज में आज करवाया था ना. तो फिर
तो ब्लू मिट्टी वाला ऑफ ब्लू ही होगा.
अब देखो बेटा आज हम लोग ने ये कौन सा किया था? नाइट्रेट्स का किया था कि नहीं?
ब्लू.
ओके. नाइट्रेट्स.
हाँ.
ओके. पे अटेंशन यार. ये रिदम नाइट्रेट्स का किया था कि नहीं? ओके. कॉपर नाइट्रेट. तो इट कम्स बिटवीन कैल्शियम टू कॉपर. सो इट विल गिव यू व्हाट? मेटल ऑक्साइड NO2 एंड O2. अभी देखिए रिएक्शन देख बेटा. Now, listen all of you. This chapter, beta, types of question are very important. On this, beta, in this question, I can ask you 10 different questions. Examiner will ask you how much? First question. First question, write a balanced chemical equation for decomposition of copper nitrate. So copper nitrate एक काकू का है nitrate. Nitrate will give you metal oxide NO2 and O2. Can you see this? Next question. What is the color of copper nitrate? Bol. What is the color of copper oxide? What is the color of nitrogen dioxide? Which is the acidic gas evolved? NO2. What is the nature of NO2? Acidic gas. Which is the neutral gas? Okay. और भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है. Listen. H. Write your observation. Okay. अच्छा sorry. रुचा. हाँ प्रैक्टिकल का मैं बताता ना सुनेगा पहले देखो और एग्जामिनर क्वेश्चन क्या क्या पूछेगा. ओके. ए व्हेन कॉपर नाइट्रेट इज हीटेड नेम द ब्लैक कंपाउंड फॉर copper oxide. When copper nitrate is heated, name the acidic gas evolved. Acidic gas. हाँ तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या बोलते हैं ये रे.
नहीं
ओके ओके आप यही वो येलो वाला स्टेपलर किधर गया देना इधर था ना किसके पास है.
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड.
अच्छा ये name the neutral gas evolved when copper nitrate is heated.
ऑक्सीजन.
समझा. Then last question will be मैं आपको ये डायरेक्ट इक्वेशन नहीं पूछूंगा. आई विल आस्क दिस इन इक्वेशन फॉर्म. हाउ. लिसन बेटा. हाँ वर्ड फॉर्म. Write a reaction. No, not word form. Write a reaction in which blue color. Listen, blue color compound gives you black residue. तो ये पूरा reaction लिखना.
Oh no.
अच्छा. Write your observation. Whenever we write observation, Arya, we will always write the visible change. What will write? Write your observation when copper nitrate is heated. So what will say? Blue color compound will give you black residue and reddish brown gases. अभी बेटा ये सारे क्वेश्चन
वो लाइन नहीं बनाई वो.
लाइन बाय नहीं. इधर पे देख चुपचाप बैठ. वो नहीं बनानी होती है. चुपचाप बैठ. इधर देख. अभी देख बेटा मैंने एग्जाम में तेरे को क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा था सुनो ये बने नहीं. यहाँ पे देख. राइट अ रिएक्शन इन विच ब्लू कंपाउंड गिव्स यू ब्लैक. तो देखो ये वाला रिएक्शन पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा कि नहीं. फिर बाद में देख ऑब्जर्वेशन. राइट योर ऑब्जर्वेशन व्हेन कॉपर नाइट्रेट इज हीटेड. Blue color compound decomposes to give you black residue and reddish brown gases evolve. अभी बेटा ये अब आपको समझा मैंने इतना सारा इंफॉर्मेशन ऐसा क्यों लिख के दिया है. तो आप पढ़ोगे तो आपको एग्जाम में क्लिक होगा. समझा क्या. क्लिक होगा. ए बेबी यहाँ जो होगा ये देख ये यहाँ पे लेड नाइट्रेट में भी यही आ रहा है कि नहीं. येलो क्या गया बफ येलो लिख सकते हो वहां पे. अरे है मैं इसमें से ही पढ़ा रहा हूँ बेटा. अच्छा सुन यहाँ पे क्या लिखेगी बोल. ये पूरा पार्ट एज इट इज यहाँ पे रिपीट होगा कि नहीं. NO2 के लिए लिख लो अभी बैठ के. ये पूरा यहाँ पे रिपीट होगा कि नहीं. लिखो ना वहां पर. अरे पेज नंबर इज योर 7. पेज नंबर 7. पेज नंबर 7 पे लिख फटाफट. सब मैंने दिया हुआ है. क्यों दिया है. क्यों दिया है समझा क्या. एग्जाम में ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे. राइट. क्या लिखना है बेबी. ये यहाँ पे NO2 ये था ना. यहाँ पे NO2 के नीचे
Oh yes. Sir 30 hertz. ये पूरा.
सभी घर जाकर
मेरा मॉनिटर पे 60 hertz.
सब लिखना कैसे
ये NO2 के नीचे ये सब आएगा कि नहीं पूरा एज इट इज.
Sir मैंने लिखा reddish hertz.
अच्छा अभी मैं आपको यही क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ मोक्षित बेटा. When write your observation when lead nitrate is heated. So what you write? White color compound will give you which residue? Buff yellow and reddish brown gases. समझ में आ रहा है तुमको क्या बात हम करता है मैन. हेलो तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये चैप्टर. तो आप कभी भी ये चैप्टर पढ़ोगे तो पहले वो लास्ट पेज पढ़ने का. तो ऑब्जर्वेशन में देखिए. अच्छा लेड नाइट्रेट का नाउ सेम क्वेश्चन. Samaira, I can ask this same question for 10 in 10 different ways. What will be the 10 different ways? Tell me. Write a reaction in which white compound give you yellow residue. So this entire reaction. Write decomposition of lead nitrate. Okay. When lead nitrate is heated, beta, what is the buff yellow residue form known as? It is lead oxide. Or what is another name for it? Litharge. What is the color of lead oxide? Buff yellow. What is the color of litharge? Buff yellow. Name the acidic gas evolved when lead nitrate is heated. Okay. Name the reddish brown gas evolved when lead nitrate is heated. NO2. What is the color of nitrogen dioxide? Reddish. Name the neutral gas evolved. Write your observation when lead nitrate is heated. ये देख यहाँ पे मैंने दिया कि नहीं. White color compound will give buff yellow residue and reddish brown gas is evolved. Are you getting it or not? Tell me. तो अब समझा ये कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. सब दिया है वो टेक्स्ट बुक में ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिया है, खाली रिएक्शन दिया है. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू वर्कशीट. इसका वर्कशीट जो है ना वो क्वेश्चन आंसर वाला वो अलग से मैं आपको देने वाला हूँ. ओके नाउ लिसन केयरफुली बेटा. ओके या
पानी का फिल्टर है.
हाँ नहीं है बेटा.